Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing a 2022 MV Agusta Dragster RR. To tell you a little bit about the bike, it's 800cc, 150 horses, 87 pound-feet of torque. And yeah, let's unbox it and see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. This is the box where the mirrors and accessories come in. Oh, single-sided swing arm. You got the redesigned exhaust. Look at that color. What do you guys think? This one is already sold, but if anyone else is interested in one, we can always pre-order one for you. Wow, look at that. I really like the color scheme. The Dragster RC. Oh, and it comes with a tank protector right there, off the factory. Tank is really beautiful. We'll show you guys how the mirrors go on and what it looks like at the finish process. Such a beautiful bike. Oh, you got the Italian colors as well. Look at that. The details on this color scheme is beautiful. Dragster RC hard toe course. Got some carbon fiber, red stitching on the seats. Also more carbon fiber mud flap. Wow. What do you guys think about the color? I like it. We've got another MV Agusta as well to unbox after this, so if you're an MV Agusta fan, then the next one we're unboxing is an F3. So stay tuned for the next video as well. That's good. Alright everyone, here's the finished product. Mirrors on and everything. Just look how beautiful that is. Earlier in the video I mentioned this one is sold, which is correct. If you are interested, this is a limited edition bike. It's a numbered bike actually. I don't know if you can see here. This is number 87 of 200 units. So if you are interested, just contact us, Motorcycle Mall in Belleville, New Jersey, and you can see what we can do. Look at that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.